I'm Rocio from Coldwell Riveras. I am in Conquista Agraria on the Pacific. It is 28 miles north of La Paz. I am here to show you a new listing, the Whale Watching House. Let's go. This beautiful, nearly finished home with a modern minimalist design features 3 bedrooms. 2 of them with direct ocean views. Imagine waking up to the stunning views of the Pacific Ocean every morning. The master suite includes a private bathroom with a walk-in closet, while the other 2 share a full bathroom. Plus, there is a half bath for extra convenience. The living room and kitchen are designed to maximize the spectacular ocean views, where during whale season you can watch them leap from your window. Head up to the rooftop and enjoy unforgettable sunsets by the plant-built fire pit, a perfect space to relax or entertain family and friends. The house comes with hurricane-proof windows ready for installation, as well as sink and faucets. All the wiring is in place, and the property includes an 11,000-liter water cistern and a large septic system. This is your chance to own a piece of paradise.